Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a looped braided bun using a topsy tail tool. To start, I'm going to section off a little bit of hair above the ears. I'm also leaving a little bit of hair out to frame the face. Take the same size section on the opposite side and we're going to bring these together at the back of the head and we're going to angle them to the right hand side and join them together with a clear elastic band. Then pop a couple of fingers behind the elastic band, pass that little ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through to create a twist. And I'm going to take my topsy tail tool, I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and I'm going to pop this behind that section on the left hand side, and I'm going to take a small section of hair about 1 inch wide, and I'm going to take that underneath the handle of the topsy tail tool and bring it up to the top, and I'm going to put a couple of fingers through the loop from the front to the back and then pull those ends all the way through. Then take the handle and pull it all the way down to create your first stitch. Pop the tool behind that section again, right next to the first one, and we're going to take a new inch of hair and combine it with the ends of the last one, and we're going to do the same steps. So pass it underneath the handle and pull it up to the top, pop your fingers through, grab those ends and then pull the handle down, pulling it through. And basically we're going to keep doing the same thing, working our way round to that little ponytail on the right hand side. If you're new to my channel or just keep finding yourself coming back, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. When you reach that ponytail, we're going to pop that topsy tail tool going from the bottom upwards, so the loop is at the bottom. Pass your tail ends through the loop and then pull the handle upwards. And I'm going to secure it on the right hand side with a bobby pin, and with those tail ends I'm going to wrap them around a couple of fingers to create a loop, and then I'm just going to tuck that loop behind those sections and secure with another pin or two. With the hair that's left remaining down, I'm just going to do a simple 3-strand braid all the way to the bottom and tie it off with a clear elastic band. Then use your fingers to gently pinch and pull the edge of the braid to make it more voluminous. And I'm going to take the braid up and over the top to the left hand side, and I'm going to secure it on the right hand side and through the middle using a few more pins, and then we're just going to roll the end of the braid underneath and secure it with another pin. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.